This is the story of Feather, an extraordinary parrot, and her unique bond with my daughter, Sophia. From the very beginning, their connection blossomed into something truly special. Feather embraced Sophia as if she were her own child and seemed to think caring for her was the most important thing in her life. From the moment Sophia started crawling, Feather never left her side. Wherever Sophia went, Feather followed, always watching over her. Their time together was filled with warmth and affection, with cuddles and tiny kisses that spoke of their incredible friendship. One of their favorite activities was playing the piano. Sophia loved pressing the keys, while Feather would listen attentively, sometimes even dancing to the sounds. It was as though they had their own magical understanding of music and fun.
A few moments later.
Music and food became central to their bond. They often ate together, and Sophia loved sharing her snacks with Feather. These moments brought so much joy and strengthened their connection even more. Honestly, I never expected Feather to grow so attached to Sophia. When she first came into our home, she had a difficult past. One day, during my 8th month of pregnancy, a colleague called me and said, "I just visited a house and found a parrot in the basement. The owner doesn't want to care for her anymore. Would you like to take her?" As a bird lover, I couldn't turn her away. Knowing Feather had been deprived of attention for so long, we decided to welcome her into our family. At first, I thought she would be shy and withdrawn because of her past. But when Sophia was born, Feather surprised us all. She immediately embraced her new role, as if she had been waiting for Sophia her entire life. Feather fell in love with my daughter and became her protector. Sometimes Sophia would tease her, and Feather would respond by snuggling closer, even slipping under the blanket to stay near her. Feather had a warm and trusting energy that made me feel completely at ease. I knew she would never harm my daughter. Watching their relationship unfold, I sometimes wonder if they knew each other in a past life. Feather embraced Sophia as her own, creating a bond so pure and heartwarming that it filled our home with joy. However, every beautiful story has its bittersweet moments. One evening, Feather passed away in the loving arms of her family, with little Sophia by her side. The bond they shared, so pure and full of love, touched the hearts of everyone who followed their journey. While the family navigates this profound loss, they've expressed their gratitude to everyone who supported and cherished Feather and Sophia's story. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more adventures, and click the bell so you won't miss out. Quick, easy, and keeps the good times rolling. See you in the next video!